SEO people keep trying to sell me in all these crazy emails anyway. In 60 seconds. At its most basic level, SEO is making sure that anything you put online to represent your business is easily understood by search engines. On a higher level, it's making sure that you're also giving the search engines what they want so that they show your business and your information before your competitors, hopefully. SEO has a couple main pieces, but most of it is appealing to the right keywords. Those are the things people type into search engines. There's no point in making a website that shows up first for a search term that nobody's ever looking for. Second part is making sure that your content on your site is set up correctly. In other words, you need to use some of those keywords and related keywords and do what it takes to convince those search engines that you're actually talking about that topic. Third is what they call off-page SEO, which means other places and other businesses need to link to your content to give it legitimacy. If you put up the best website in the world, but there's no links to it at all, not even in the yellow pages, Google's not going to believe you. Third or fourth, whatever we're on now, also use associated products. You want to show up high on Google? Use Google Business Listings and YouTube. And I think I went slightly over our 60 seconds there, so time's up. Hope you got the idea.